ukuthi ozokwengamela ezemigaqo esifundazweni kumele enze isiqiniseko sokuthi kuqedwa nyanga ama-e-tolls.
Ensure that the e-tolls are scrapped. I must emphasize we are at advanced stage. You'll see where, when I go to finance, the element that we're going to indicate.
Nazi izinhlelo zokulwa nobugebengu eGauteng.
We want every Gauteng citizen to have what we call an e-panic button. We are starting with government staff. E-panic button. If you are under threat, you press it, and then our forces will come and assist you, especially for GBV incident. Ekhuluma
ngomnyango wezokuthutha uba wenza ngcono lo mnyango akumele kube khona isibhedlela esingenamithi ngoba ingafikile khona akumele futhi kube nesikole esingena desk. UNomantu Nkomo Lehook nguyena osezokwengamela umnyango wezempilo esifundazweni bese kuthi uThazi Nemotara yena engamela ezokuthuthukiswa komnotho. uGidibon Diale Thabela uzokwengamela umnyango wezokuthutha bese kuthi umnyango wezemfundo wona wenganyelwe nguMatume Chilwane. Umzika Ifani Khumalo uzokwengamela umnyango wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu bese kuthi uJacob Mamabulo yena engamela umnyango wezemali. Ezemidlalo zizokwenganyelwa nguMarakane Mosyupe bese kuthi ezenhlala kahle esifundazweni zinganyelwe nguMbali Hlophe. Empumalanga uMandla Msibo bebhekene namacala abucayi ukhuzi ibuya kumakhabhinethi emva kokuqokelwa kwesokwengamela umnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu.
Mr. Mandla Msibi has been appointed as MEC for Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs.
UNdunankulu waseMpumalanga uthe wenzele izinguquko ecabangela ukuhlinzekwa kwabantu ngezidingo.
I have decided to appoint Ms. Nompumelelo Hlophe as MEC for Finance, Economic Development and Tourism. Now, Ms. Hlophe, she's coming with vast experience emanating from the local government sphere. She served as a councillor in various administration.
Ihlukene imbono ngezinguquko ezenziwe eLimpopo izolo.